Let's learn a set of MCQs, English plus Malayalam, from Chapter 1 Emergence of Psychology, for UGC NET. I'll give question plus 4 options plus correct answer plus short explanation in both languages. MCQs, Chapter 1, Emergence of Psychology. 2. Which Indian text emphasizes self-realization, duty, dharma, and detachment? Swayam Tirukkural, Dharmam, Nirasam Enivai Pradhanyamikkunna Indian Grantham et. A. Vedas. B. Bhagavad Gita. C. Yoga Sutras. D. Upanishads. Checkmark answer. B. Bhagavad Gita. Explanation. The Gita focuses on paths of yoga, bhakti, jnana, karma. Gitail bhakti, jananam, karma enivai atastanamakki eegattinre vilaikalparanirikkunnu. 3. The idea of anika, impermanence, and anatta, no self, belongs to which system? Anika, Anityam, Anatta, Atmabhavam, any assignal et mattatile. A. Sufism. B. Buddhism. C. Integral Yoga. D. Bhagavad Gita. Checkmark answer. B. Buddhism. Explanation. Buddhism emphasizes impermanence and denial of permanent self. Buddhamitam anityatayam stiramaya atmavilanam parayunnu. 4. Which school of psychology stated that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts? Muluvanan Bhagannalut Kuttattilekkal valued, Anparanna Vidyasakha et. A. Structuralism. B. Gestalt. C. Behaviorism. D. Psychoanalysis. Checkmark answer. B. Gestalt. Explanation. Gestalt psychologists studied perception and holistic experience. Jasralt Manasastrajnar Grahanavam Samagranubhavavam Patiku. 5. Which Indian psychologist integrated Indian traditions with psychology during the 1980s indigenization movement? 1980 Kalil Desasitkarana Prasthanatanayat Indian Syntikal Manasastravumai Sanyajapika Indian Manasastrajnan A. Narendra Nath Sengupta. B. Girindra Shekhar Bose. C. Durganand Sinha. D. J.P. Das. Checkmark answer. C. Durganand Sinha. Explanation. He was a pioneer of Indian psychology movement. Adeham Indian Psychology Prasthanatinre TNPNE. 6. Which Western paradigm stresses objective truth through scientific methods? Sastriya Maganalilut Nirapeka Satyam Kantetanakumen Parayunna Paskatya Samipanam et. A. Positivism. B. Social constructionism. C. Phenomenology. D. Critical psychology. Checkmark answer. A. Positivism. Explanation. Positivism equals scientific study of observable facts only. Pisirivism equals Kanavunna Vastutakalut Sastriya Pathanam Matram. 7. Unconscious mind and instincts form the basis of which school? Avabhidhavam Pravanatikalam, Atastanamaya Vidyasakha et. A. Humanistic. B. Cognitive. C. Psychoanalysis. D. Behaviorism. Checkmark answer. C. Psychoanalysis. Explanation. Freud developed psychoanalysis focusing on unconscious processes. Freud avabid hat atastanamakki psychoanalysis vikasipiku. 8. Which Indian concept highlights ignorance, avidya, as root of suffering? Avidya and dakhattinre karanavam, anparayunna Indian asayam et. A. Sufism. B. Vedanta. C. Buddhism. D. Integral Yoga. Checkmark answer. B. Vedanta. Explanation. Vedanta emphasizes knowledge, vidya, to overcome suffering. Vedantam Vidyailut Matrem Dakham Marukayalu Anparayunnu. Thank you. Learn more.